Hello everyone, so in today's video we'll be shopping, finally taking down the rest of the Christmas decor, cleaning, and then a little bit of decorating. So I hope that you enjoy this video. We're starting off here at Target, shopping through the Hearth and Hand section, the Threshold, and the Studio McGee section, and just seeing what decor is new here at Target right now for spring. They have a lot of really beautiful new decor out right now, especially at this Target that I went to here in Tucson. They had a lot of new home decor. In this video, I'm giving away a $100 Target gift card to one of you so that one of you can go to Target and buy some new home decor for your home on me. So to enter the giveaway, just like this video, be sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, and then just leave a comment down below this video. Your comment will be your entry into the giveaway, and the winner will be randomly selected from the comments. I'll have all of the dates and the details typed up down below as well. These mini wooden cake stands would make perfect candle stands. I have a little wooden stand like this by my kitchen sink that I put my candles on. So if you're looking for one of those, they do have some here in the Hearth and Hand section. Levi did great on this shopping trip. He's always happy as long as I have him in a carrier like this up close to me. He'll just take a nap. I'll put the link for this baby carrier down below. It's the only one I've been using so far, and I've really been loving it. And my backpack is from Azaria. So now over here in the furniture section, they do have quite a few new pieces of furniture out for springtime, and a lot of their regular pieces are still out right now as well. Now I'm shopping over in the Threshold home decor section. They have a lot of greenery in here for spring, potted plants, stems, wreaths, trees, just a lot of greenery in here right now, and vases, and so many new beautiful pieces. This is my favorite Target to shop at for home decor because I've never seen a Target have so much home decor out on display. Let me know down below, does any of your Targets have this much home decor in their stores? Usually when I go into a Target, the home decor section is only about 2 aisles long as far as the Studio McGee items, the Threshold, and the Hearth and Hand items. But this Target has 2 huge sections of home decor, so it's always really fun to shop through and see everything that's new. Okay, so I'm back home now and I only got a few items from Target. I did get that watering can. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while and I really loved the color of this one and just the look of it. I also got that egg tray and the $100 gift card to give to one of you, and then also these slippers. They have these in a couple different colors. They're really cozy and they're only $10. Now I'm going to start cleaning up the living room here and then we will take down the last of the Christmas decor. This is the longest we've ever left our Christmas tree up before. We just decided to enjoy it a little longer this year, but now we were ready to take it down, and I feel like I'm probably the last person to be taking down their Christmas tree. Let me know down in the comments, did any of you just take down your tree, or maybe you still have it up? And I also still have some Christmas decor on the piano and in the kitchen, so I'll be packing the rest of that away. I did get some new containers. The big one is from Lowe's, and then the smaller black one is from Costco. It was only $8.99 at Costco, so I thought that was a pretty good deal for one of these containers. This clear plastic container that I had some of my Christmas decor in, the lid didn't latch on it anymore, so I just decided to transfer all of the Christmas decor into these heavy-duty black containers that have some really good lids on them that will seal up good and keep everything in great shape all year long until next Christmas. I really loved these ceramic Christmas trees from Hobby Lobby. They were some of my favorite Christmas decor that I had out this year, and I am going to be packing those into this container with some blankets and things so that they don't break, but I was just setting them in there for now as I was undecorating and gathering everything to one spot. I am just using some old blankets to wrap things in. I didn't have any bubble wrap, so this works out great. I just rolled them up into blankets and stacked things into the container. Okay, the giant Christmas tree is coming down now. This tree comes apart in 4 different sections, and it came with this big bag to put it in, but the bag was not quite big enough to fit this tree in. We could hardly get the bag zipped. We were trying to stuff everything in here, and as we were zipping it up about halfway through, the bag split open on the side, so now we have to come up with a different way to store this tree. It's really easy to set this tree up and take it down, but it's hard to store it because it's so bulky. It hardly fits in this bag, and then once you do have it in the bag, it's so huge and hard to find a spot that we can store it in. And now our bag is ripped open on the side, but I think we're going to just try and duct tape the part that ripped and just make it work at least for this year, and maybe next year we can come up with something different when we go to pack it away again. This room feels so empty and plain with the Christmas tree gone, so I'm going to start searching for some new items to put in here, maybe add some greenery, a coffee table. It feels nice to have it all empty and clean, but I do want to add a few more items. It's a little bit too empty right now, and I just want to cozy it up a little bit more. So stay tuned. I have a second decorating video planned for the 15th of this month, and in that video we'll be decorating the living room and the dining room. Now that all of the Christmas decor is taken down and everything is clean, I can start planning out how I want to decorate in here for springtime. So stay tuned for that. On the 15th, we'll be doing some more shopping and some more decorating. These pine branches were starting to shed everywhere, so I got those thrown away and then vacuumed off the top of this sideboard over here. This is a DIY sideboard. We took some IKEA cabinets and stained these, added handles, and just made this DIY sideboard here in the dining room. I'll link that video down below if you want to see exactly how we did that. So now I'm just cleaning up the dining room, going to vacuum in here, and in that second decorating video going live on the 15th, like I said, I'll be adding decor to the dining room, putting a new rug in here, adding something to the middle of this table, hanging something on that empty wall over there. So stay tuned for that. Now that the dining room is clean, I'm going to vacuum this whole main area of the house. hope you enjoyed today's video. We didn't do too much decorating in this video, but this was kind of a part 1 to the next decorating video. We had to get all of the Christmas decor taken down and get everything clean before I could start planning out how I was going to decorate here in the main area of the house. So stay tuned for the next decorating video and all the other videos coming out this month. We've got another episode at the Flip House going live this Saturday. We'll be working on the exterior of that house, so stay tuned for that, and we will see you in a couple days in that next video. Bye!